Bagacho say yena ya gidie do eniama pa eba wo nchen se uwa abotra eniama pa eba wo nchen because he said good things come to those who believe. So gidi nkwa dia eniama pa eba wo nchen. And don't forget say eniama eya kese eche so eba wona owa abotre. It is sa nwoma ni mienu ye. Eniama pa eba ema wona wo gidi. Nemom enyama eye papa eboro so ne de eba ma wona wo abotre. Patience is key. Patience is very important. Abotre ahuhia pa. Abotre ya de a edan so ade nyinam. Se wo abotre a yedi da mpanyfo ka to ho se unya abotre ubeku aboa tete huni so no. Na bia o ka se ade a wodwe ho a ejeye obede hu entete aso eka kyerɛw sɛ abotre ne ho hia ehia ɛna arɔpɛ ya sha sɛ ye ko yedwuma so da arɔpɛ ye edwuma gyina akwada da dware akɔ school ya ye wo fia ye twɛn ye hwɛ kyire ya ye bedwom ya ye beton ya ye beto akɔ ne nyina no ye ka kyerɛ ho sɛ abotre wo woi ɛma eniema ɛkyɛn so ana ba ye so abotre de de ma ɛkyɛn so ba ye so. And out of pay, so be abotra na bema wahu tatia ne suno. And that's the doing of the Lord. And out of pay, so shall brena. It's exactly 6:40, 40 minutes past the 6. Ade Akye Abia de your from na Kwame Nkwantabisa. Na Nkwantabisa nie. Out of pay ma ho sa ma ho brasie. Se me ba be somo. Na esoma ye ba be somo no so ye somo sompa. Ene eye wukwada na edru wukwada said ye no enie wukwada ye bekọ Ghana ntwodi ni ntwa so na ye bema wafre region by region enti yedru Greater Accra Eastern Regional na wafre de how no na waka enti we eye special edition a ye de brew na yedru Ashanti Regional how ha na waka you drew northern regions, the 3 northern regions. You drew Savannah ne de kan ho a o how na waka sa enso so ana you drew bono eastern half a o how na waka so you be movie region by region na how bia ho bia na waka o how na de dan so wa afi we die nim ne say ya ma won kan o how nko a ya wo team a solid team able producers are the aya ne say okan how bia ya betro e de ato ho na ya tro how no ato ho a de ya ne say ya beko the appropriate headquarters babia e was yenya anu ye e de ma wo ne de ya be rewra mu ati na wotwe ya besan ya ba no na anu ye no one was ye no on kasa live one I don't be kasa off air no ya the response abre eye issues are through it comes with matter of urgency and to ya me as a waka on how ne nko a na mo ka how ni wi a jabehwe na ya pay solution at the amount sir for district mu a we will look at the district your chief executive municipality your chief executive sir metropolitan ya be mayor na ye na kasa sir institution bia under the municipality or the metropolitan no office was here around say works and housing say engineers no you do on bekasa na you don't kasa wi a na ya ba be catch us say ukro no de ntia wonya kanea no ya re ECG forecast say any PRC forecast aye sentra akwan ne de ntia mo facelift no say that aban no ya afa ho ya fra o DC Sompa ya fra o MC dia no kafa ho eno ya be mo exactly what is going on e dia ba kan how ne nko a na mom ya ma wa kan how no ya mo aka wa mane no dia how no na ya pe solution enso e di abrew enti we ya fra no wo how anything wo a wo tie Sompa wa wo hwe Sompa TV no ya busa se o how anything emia wo wom kura wo so bro no a wo so no ma ye hu how na ye chip no so momodia say ya ba pa response e de abro ye titi enti wukwa day ene exactly 8:30 ye be ahoma na to na e bia ahoma ni tumu wi a na wo so afre na hye ne so se Ashanti region awo na ye bie Greater Accra ni Eastern region tumu a ofre Ashanti region a ye be you afrim because we want to listen to how one a wo hwe yen no e wo won peso aso na ya hwe kwan a ye be fa so the solution the abroad and that is what I free ne ekoya ukwada bia kan na hye no so se edru wo na se wo de ne ye nya anu yi amawa ye be ka chew aboso ba de meja no epai ye be boso a kopem se ye be nya solution ye be nya anu yi the amount edi hye no so e bia na week ye be hye ye be sim no e bia response ama enche se team na ja ho adwuma ye we will continue to work on your issue kopem say oya solution oya solution we are na fe you say yes so ye ho atoy because this is Sompa, we are here to serve you and no any mandate ye wa say e be somo enti Ade Akye Abia so no efri ukwade bia efri ne ko ukwade bia dwuma ye bedi obo also of sending how no sending it through WhatsApp and I saw the other potem water wahu porto kakaka bia o be say manhole na sa manhole no wahwa ho anu yie ma o de video kakra bi about some few seconds or minute na wa send ya for WhatsApp line no o message e bo so a person sending a message o send it through our WhatsApp line and also ye be hu ye be kan ye be hwe hu asema ya and it's our WhatsApp line now you use na 050 943 500 050 943 8500 050 943 8500 sa WhatsApp line fatu hopa ugo be bia a news word ya that's what say it needs attention of authority I was a pay for bemwa or dem my pet na ya to ho anamon e de amount e wo ho ya pay ye be di nko ma ba denra me catch out say yera opem so a historic visitor na odeko onwa in his own words the engine room of the Ghana Police Service na okodru hono in fact it was colorful, it was so nice, it was amazing na ohwe other protocols omo be kan otu fo ho na just say oh na just say yeah just say ohwe na efe yara kakra in case one opportunity ahwe bi opem so de sem bi to dwa na some of the to dwa no it was about young culture and yen policing now you know I'm sorry it's not King Solomon for just say yeah can say I'm not surprised said the IGP Inspector General of Police Yera Dr. Yohuno restricted sir the word King Solomon in fact or as I car yeah young culture ahini e wagan nyina e kwa ba fa so aboa na ahini ni police adwuba no etimi akoye no if the culture ni wa police in yedin any kasenka law enforcement nkwa dia ene ka any ka ba bia ni wa obeka say any ye be here prisons but say ya ntete ya money ya mofra ne ye manfo yi a eno na impunity ni shase eno ni pa bebre shase ye de ope enra it was so colorful yenti opem so mra
towards crime prevention. Our visit today sets us up on a journey towards crystallizing the alignment of values and sends a powerful national message. The tradition and modern law enforcement are not rivals struggling for relevance. They are collaborators safeguarding the same future. When traditional authority respects legal authority, communities stabilize. When police respect local customs, cooperation deepens. When both communicate openly, crime loses its hiding place. If law alone can save society, then countries with the thickest law book will have no problems, no prisons at all. Yet even prisons have rules and still require values. The truth is simple, even if uncomfortable. No society can outsource morality entirely to the state and expect peace. Together, we must raise citizens, not just enforce laws. Therefore, I have come to join you to call together for deeper institutionalized collaboration between traditional authorities and the Ghana Police Service. Let chiefs serve as allies in community policing. Let officers be trained to understand the customs of the people they protect. Let dialogue precede deployment and mediation precede confrontation. This is not softness, it is intelligence. The future of public order lies not in louder sirens, but in stronger values, supported by competent, disciplined law enforcement. We hope the conversation we begin today will culminate in some institutional arrangement which should guarantee effective and respectful collaboration. You will no doubt be aware that among the guardians of traditions, we are fortunate to have eminent men like my own brother Togwe Sri, the Omefi of Alo, who before his entombment was one of the highest ranking of police officers, and he even served in Ashanti. You can have every assurance about the presence of a vast community of guardians of culture, ready to connect with you for a new era in nation building. We have conveyed our message of hope and progress to the Ghana Police Service. We have assured you of our gratitude for your faithful service and selfless sacrifices for our protection and safety. But we cannot commit towards crime prevention. Our visit today sets us up on a journey towards crystallizing the alignment of values and sends a powerful national message. The tradition and modern law enforcement are not rivals struggling for relevance. They are collaborators safeguarding the same future. When traditional authority respects legal authority, communities stabilize. When police respect local customs, cooperation deepens. When both communicate openly, crime loses its hiding place. If law alone can save society, then countries.
All right, Mami Fancy, in fact, our person can say, that if I will share and some more do good effort, even before set, was it Brodin Baba Bedia, so no, your sister, my near war, acquire fast year near ma. I'm fear police, our time, Yasam Kutua. Every colonial master bury a crowd or making sure say I fear there will always be a police. I fear police will always be there. And the kwanya, I am for far so dan yoma. Now, even nipa, a room every crowd, police Saradomno, police Sadomno, or by ya, or no sooner Inspector General of Police. Now, Fay obedi hine. It tells you, sir, I am for ya don't kind, ya don't police in one. And I say, I don't come bambo any law enforcement. I'm a Jumania de Yakoba, we expect your baby a biumpa, or can your mother brain now, so can ye? My history was a by history in India, or a working encyclopedia. I am more the two jar, dear more can ye, a far posy, Omudia drew baby, and I say home. A crumb bafaso, I restore Munding or my image. Now I'm for a yajidia so, mono. You know, Pimsoka was him. And I servant. Meaning dear Kaiwo. And now exactly today, Samri, a year ago, and a year today. A few more and then. Samri now just a Independence Square, just a Hawaii Benjamin. Yamina. And Radru say your son in, you swear in, and the new president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Santi, and that president say, and then already 1 year. And the Thanksgiving Day, at the man or no any garden, you know, say I didn't be see so as president. A year, a few more annually. There's a lot I ever can want some, sir. Yakoba. Kwame Nkwantabisa mama mache krasana. Yakoba. Mache.
Obeni mejo so.
Empom to say.
Obadi adaroma me hoye enkwa enso ewo ho. Obeni na nso e.
Obadi adom me hoye pa.
Ade Akye Abia mponya nkopon ase wuda ye.
Me adom me dey of course. Na mama ka we so kan se Yakoba ye behwe IMF. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Kase. The last time they call IMF ni the 17th time or no no party young IMF. Is it possible? Is it attainable? A bit my ho. Sana tie. As a more cano ya tibida. Ya ba ni ne bedi unkomo. Ha. Da kaina channel so say. Ene ya wo ha one say. Enti ya ba on some the how region by region catch him. Yan training na engu ho. Na fei yenwura. Oman ni ntodi ni twa so na ye pe anu ye emfama ho. Kwame opem so visit no na afi ye nan homra.
Kwame mayencha ya T4 ne ya hefo no pai na afi ye na o masese ade akye yo machinsu Sompa FM Sompa TV na omunim se ye de nepa ne we will say it as it is e de achromo ye do mo asia no pai. Kwame opem so nsem na ode etudwa enra no se wutie na utumi sampa penimu na eka empenyinsem de akire empenimfo na nsem a okanso no se ode kɔ adwendwen mu tenase na ye se o ye critical analysis of the opemso eka ya send a clear message say biaya yaduru no you hear a sense of national unity and cohesion between nananom, between opposite, between institutional heads. Because see a yenisa and a tete discipline na a woho tete cohesion na a woho tete understanding na a woho na exist say massa uko tuana mo bia or chinabin sunsansuane ba you are going to face the disciplinary committee na a woho dada. Nananom de wo betena se bia ya wo se ye de wo to ye de wo beto ba bia wo se ye de wo fa ye de wo befa na wahunu se ampa tumi e wo baabi bare kamia ye se enne ye toto niema se agogo niema na ensem ba ko mienu a kan ye mani gye ho pa se ye benya deeper institutionalized collaboration ehia pa osan de ba ko so se tradition ne modern law they are not rivals. Kwame you sure say you benya bre na fi ya church sansem yimu eno the twato ya me kan say tradition and modern laws are not rivals. Kwame no kwasem ne say en kind tete de na yenim anamo ayetu kwayen fasu si hene kwayen fasu tu hene ne enhyehyɛ ya na dani kwan mu no na efe enya afei ena makwako hu wei me botom edu matumi atua chen wei ne nasefo minimposifo minim security heads and so they are going to protect me not their culture no ne the history no eka say ono ena ewose odiade ono na woso ye ohene no oberu say na ye sorry etia saa nipa no all because say obi botomu edu chen obi I don't see ye more protection over a binuaka. I think say going forward you know ye be hunu ni atisa ne ma na se na opem so nso de mira anopa yi me sorry abu me mu ase na ma chia wo nsem no etakoma ekakoma send a clear message nso.
All right. Send a clear message. So yaba maka just say oh video our area now on side issue person send the WhatsApp line no 0509-438-500 0509-438-500 adapendo ne de beje da ye de juma already sports for no ebeba Orlando ne Mba mo be ready no mo so aba be som na omarewram na akomobia hobia ye de amount anopai na ozo say yes enema eko ejina ye wo how ne saying too bad you just oh yeah precise enya afi ne ebema preambles bebre na we na o de ka say the issue this tie ewo vicinity babia wo no na ye hu kwan a ye de befa so ti mame komra na Orlando tena CD benim sasa metim bekum Chelsea say no enya but Orlando serebe bekum Chelsea just benim say ye de ye she league ase asa but bedu baby no ebefa e de aropa me kwa basisi na ya to so di ko.
Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports.
Yede asedane nyina ema Nana Nkwantabisa na afei so one ne team no na yama wakwaba kese esan aba Sompa 93.1 na afei so Sompa TV so yatena se agure mu nsema yato ne din tip off ena ene anopa si meduasa edi animu yede ensem ne nyina ebrel meka wo se ene eye wukuada asabre nonso no enya abo apa ho anase so nonso na bo ewo kasafide so yede ensem ne nyina enso ebrel yebehwe efisem ena afin so amano ne nsem wo efisem nim no MTN FA Cup run of 32 matches